There are two goals of change management. The first goal of change management is for change management to respond to customers' changing business requirements, while at the same time maximize value and reduce incidents, disruption, and rework. The second goal of change management is to respond to the business and IT requests for change. At the same time, change management should align the services with the business needs. So what's a change? A change is the addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have an effect on the IT services. Now, which of the following change type is pre-approved? Is it standard change, normal change, or emergency change? I believe by now you should have a good idea of which is pre-approved. Now, here's a little exercise to help you on your revision of the change management process. You see that there are some blank boxes here. Take about a minute to fill up your answers on the blank boxes. Okay, let's check your answers. Do you have everything correct? The next few slides are about different areas of change management, including the change models, remediation planning, and change proposals, which we have covered in depth in the day class. It is important to note that the change management process needs a CAD. The CAD, the Change Advisory Board, is a body, role, or group that supports the authorization of changes, assists change management in the assessments, prioritization, and scheduling of changes. It is also important to note that the change manager chairs the CAD. If it's not possible to form a CAD, at least have an ECAD. We have discussed a lot on this in the. Do you remember that change priority has to be based on impact and urgency? The 7 R's of change management for impact assessment has to be considered by the change manager when approving or disapproving changes. Who raised the change? What's the reason for the change? What's the return required from the change? What are the risks involved in the change? What resources are required to deliver the change? Who is responsible for the build, test, and implementation of the change? And consider the implications. What is the relationship of this change and other changes? Will it cause other changes? Who has the final say for changes? Obviously, the final responsibility for IT service, including changes to it, will rest with the service owner. As the name implies, the owner controls the funding available and will have been involved in the change process through direct or delegated membership of the CAD.